everybody, welcome to my YouTube. So this is going to be the light switches in my house. So in here, starting in the pantry, we have the pantry light that goes to this one. And here is this disposal, but I'm not going to turn that on. Right here is the kitchen light, or pot lights. Over here's the dining room light. Over here's the ceiling fan. And up here's the fan. In the patio, we have this light out here. And you see that is off. Yep. In the laundry room, this is our washers. We have this morning light. And this is the laundry fan. And it vibrates. In the small hallway, we have this light right here. This is my room. In the other hallway, we have this light right up here. In the bathroom, we have bathroom light right there. That light cover went off, but now it's on. And we have the fan. Over here, we have a light switch right here. This goes to the fan. And this goes, the other one goes to the fan, and this one, no, the other one goes to the light, and this one goes to the fan. That is all. Over here in my room, we have this light right here. And we have the fan. Oh, and this is the exit sign that I showed you. And my fluorescent lights and stuff. And this is actually my new railroad crossing. It's a Cato railroad crossing. In here, master bedroom, we have this fan right here, and we have this light. In here, we have these 3 pot lights, and here we have the fan. And here we have another fan. And the light. In the closet, we have this light. In the garage, we have this LED light in here, LiftMaster Garage. And, yep, that's pretty much it. So, thank you for watching. Bye.